I've been running for so long, chasing quiet, chasing peace. Every place I ever landed still felt incomplete. I built walls out of goodbyes, learned to stand on my own. But every road I walked alone still led me back to you. I don't need a perfect life, I just need somewhere alone. You are my home when the world gets